Hi guys, welcome to the first discussion for English VO1A. There are a couple options for you to do your post on this discussion, so I thought I would make a video so I could show you what one of those options is for you. This discussion is all about going over the syllabus and kind of thinking about our class as a community and how we want that community to function within the parameters of the syllabus that I've created. And so one of your options, if you look at the discussion board, is to post a video. So hi, I am Jacqueline Walker. If you haven't already met me, I am your fearless leader, your professor. And if you're interested, if you decide for the discussion, you can either write what your hopes, fears, and expectations are after looking at the syllabus and kind of talk about that on the discussion. When you post, you're going to click reply, and then you're going to post that. Or if you want to post a video about yourself, kind of talking about your hopes, fears, and expectations and questions you have, you can do that. If you decide to do the second option, which is posting the video, when you click reply, I'll just kind of show you as though I was going to do it. You're going to click reply either way. That's the language that the discussion boards uses to indicate that you want to say something. And you're going to use an external tool, which is the record tool. You're going to go ahead and click on the media, and it will pop up. And with the camera right now, the camera's not showing because I am recording on Screencast-O-Matic. And so it's only recording my voice with the mic. But normally your picture would show up here. You're going to start the recording, and then you're going to save it and post it. So that's how you're going to do it. Again, the icon for that is this little record upload media. My computer sometimes wants to do it and sometimes doesn't. I'm not sure if it has to do with Flash or if it has to do with my Wi-Fi connection. And so that is why I'm using the Screencast-O-Matic for this video. So you can use Screencast-O-Matic if you like. It's free. It's awesome. It has split screen options so you can see what the other person's doing. Or you can just do the full video or just the full screen. So I use this a lot with my fully online classes. I thought I would try it with you guys. Either way, welcome to the course. I'm super, super happy that you're here. Be prepared to have lots of fun.